Hello everyone, in this video how to group objects in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this multiple object, select, hold control, select multiple object or multiple layers, or select all object or all layers, hold shift, select all layers or all object, then simply press Ctrl Z on your keyboard, and now we can see this group object, multiple object. Ungroup, right click, ungroup layers. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.